today's video, as you can see behind me, I did a POV of the Maserati, so I hope you enjoy it. Right, so here's the car, and first of all we're actually going to take a picture of this Maserati logo. There you go, as always, all the photos will be on screen. I'll edit them a tiny bit as well, so I can get the colours out a bit. I'm trying to take some pictures of the wheels and get as much angles as possible. It's nice now because you can finally meet people in your gardens. Well, in England you can. In my part of England, people can come round. You can visit people. Right now I'm going to get a nice picture of this Maserati logo, and maybe get a nice photo of the back of the car. I'm gonna flip the phone upside down, and I'm trying to get a picture under the actual car. I mean, it's not much, but I thought it would be actually interesting. Actually, there's not much. I'm going to get a picture of the exhaust pipes. There we go. And also here. Now hopefully we're going to go in the car and take some pictures of the interior. As you can see, we got this steering wheel here, so I'm just going to bring the phone back here, and there's a shot. I'm also going to get some pictures of the speed dials in that here. Actually going to get some foreground in the steering wheel. Want to get one more shot from the back looking forwards. Here, gonna get the back looking forwards. Get some nice leading line angles in there. There we go. 1 second. There we go. See that on screen. I'm also trying to get the exposure correct. I'm going to take another picture of the logo here. There you go. And also we're going to try and do a couple more shots. I'm going to do one from the front, and also as you can see here, there's a nice Maserati logo as you open the door. So I'm going to actually get a landscape photo for that. There. You can see that on screen. There's a bit of a shadow from the M that goes and moves up to a more overexposed to the eye at the end. And also, I think we're just going to get a nice picture of this wooden panel on the side of the door. If I move it in a bit. I mean, this is my first time doing car photography and that, so haven't done it before, but I'm just testing out different angles in that. And looking for pieces of details on the car. There's these vents here, which I'm going to try and take a photo of. The car's a bit dirty, but hopefully we can get some. There. I'm going to actually take another one, just in case that wasn't in focus. bring the exposure down. There we go. And also we're going to take one from the front of the car. Then we're going to bring the camera down to the ground. Wait a minute. I'm going to bring the camera down to the ground. Make sure it's a bit brighter and exposed. Then you can see that on the screen. Also, I want to get some diagonal shots, like from the light side. And there's a bit of sun flare on the there's a bit of a sun flare on the windscreen or windshield. And now we're going to get another diagonal shot from the back onwards. From the back onwards over here, past the light and night over the roof. Because that gets different angles of the car. And then I'm actually going to get one from this side as well. Here. Actually I might, because there's, and then we can also get some foreground, because here, we get some foreground in with the, and then the car's owner is just going to open the bonnet so we can take some photos of it. The Maserati is called Maserati Ghibli, and it's actually really nice, the body and interior of it. As you can see in the engine, it's a diesel engine and I think a V6 engine, and Maserati logos. There's a landscape photo on screen now. One of the shots here are kind of in between the engine parts. And then one over here. There we go. And we're going to look for some different angles again. We go around upside. Another landscape photo with the logo in the foreground. There. And on, yeah, a couple more shots. Yeah, a couple more shots. Around here. Right. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna get a pic. Hopefully, the Maserati logo in front, in the foreground, and then you have the bonnet lid open at the background. That was a nice one, a bit symmetrical. I think I'm gonna see if I can get one or two more interior shots through to the actual engine, because there's a gap in between the bonnet. You can't really see much, but there is a picture there. You can see a tiny bit of the engine. I'm also going to get, I think this is a really nice clock up here. That's really nice. So I'm going to take a picture of that. I love that. There. It's a bit unfortunate because there's loads of reflections. Make sure it's in focus. There we go. And also, as you can see, the Ghibli sign is there, and also you have like this area here with all the controls and stick. So I'm gonna bring my camera here. I'm gonna flip it upside down so you can get a different angle of the car. Snap a photo there. And also from this side here actually looks really nice. So we're gonna get a picture there. Here of the interior of the driver's steering wheel and that, with a bit of the screen in the middle and the gear stick at the bottom of the frame. And also we haven't got a shot of the back yet, so we're just gonna get a shot of the back. It's a nice creamy interior in this particular car. Yeah, there we go. And we're gonna try and show off as much of the features as possible. We have in the back we have 2 seats. Oh, and I've only just realised, like little details. There is. I'll try and get an angle so you can see it. But I'll take a photo. There is a little printed logo on the seats, on the headrests. So that's nice. Just gonna get a couple pictures of the what it's like in the back of the car. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see here, we have the 2 seats here, and we have the steering wheel there. So it gives like a leading line in towards the it's like gives your eyes, it makes your brain look at the steering wheel, because like there's a gap in between us focused on it. So there's one photo. I'm also gonna take one more, maybe with this edge of the seat in the foreground this time. I'm gonna do that there. And that is looking really nice at the moment. I also want to get a picture down the side of. I'm trying to get as much pictures, photos as possible, because you always have to take opportunities in life. So I'm going to take as much as I can. There. Actually, the owner's standing in front of the car, but you're gonna have him in there. But you still get the nice leading lines. From this piece of wood here, and eventually going down the side to the front left-hand passenger seat. And you know what? For the last one, I'm just gonna get a quick photo of the lights inside. Picture of the lights, and also the mirror up here. So first of all, I'm gonna get a picture of the light. Actually, first get a picture of the light. As I said, I'm trying to show off as much features as possible. If you do like this, these pieces of content, well, I'm not actually doing a normal POV, and it's actually not a vehicle or something, please do say, and I'll probably do more. So I'm going to get like a side-on shot of the steering wheel with the nice Maserati logo, and then you have these buttons in the middle. Get a photo there. as you can see on screen now. And that is going to wrap up today's video of the Maserati Ghibli. It's a really nice car. As you saw, we took some great photos with the interior and also the exterior or external exterior or whatever. We took a photo of there. I'm actually going to try and get 2 more here of the back and at the front with the wheels and that. And I said that's going to wrap up today's video. That was the last couple of photos. As you can see, it's a really nice car, bit luxurious. And with that said, I'm out.